to install VS Code on your Mac operating system. Um, this is really important. So first of all, I need to talk why we need VS Code. VS Code is very important because we need to compile C. So it's not like online debuggers where it actually compile at the same time, but it doesn't work like that. We talk about C language because C language needs compilation. So we don't write in machine code, so we need to translate every code we write into um, a code that's gonna be executable to your CPU, is your computer. So since we don't write in machine code, we need to translate this code into machine code, and that's the work of compiler. And so which means each time we write our code, it needs to get compiled, and the best way to do this is use VS Code. VS Code is actually a text editor, but it works with so many compilers, so it can actually compile your code and give you the result, which is the file that you can actually open, which is gonna work, which is gonna do the instruction you write in your code. So first of all, I'm gonna be listing the steps on how you can um, download your VS Code. So I'm also going to be explaining how to set it up. I know VS Code sometimes is very confusing at first, but we really need this. We really need this, so we can't do without it. It's very, very important. We all need to know that. I know the last time we need to run a simple program, so I tried to use online debuggers, but that's for the first time because I didn't want to talk about VS Code for those who just not beginner in programming, because that's gonna sound complex. So now we need to install VS Code. So if you have a Mac operating system, this is the steps for you to install your VS Code, and I'm gonna be telling you guys how to set your configuration and the functions of everything inside VS Code, because VS Code at the first time is very, very confusing. So it's very confusing, I can't lie. So this is very important. So the first thing you need to do, you want to go to their website first. So you want to go to their website, of course, to download this file. So go to their website. So I need to do this one. This one needs to be expanded. So you need to go to the website and download the file. So I think I need to tell you the website. It's actually called Visual Studio. In case I make any mistake, you're gonna have a lot of options on your Google, so you're gonna actually find the right website. But I think this is correct. So code.visualstudio.com. But in case if this is not correct, of course you're gonna have suggestions on your Google, and you're gonna be able to find this website. And you go to the website, download the file for Mac. So that's what you want to do again. Download the file for Mac operating system. So for Mac OS, so download the file for Mac operating system, and after that we're going to be dealing with how to run this program. So after that, just open the file, go to your computer and go to download, where you normally have your files. You just download it and launch this program. just launch the program you just downloaded, and you're gonna have like two options. You're gonna have application, and you're gonna have like run the program, the Visual Studio. So all you just need to do, just drag just drag it, um, just drag it. So just drag it into the application. You drag the program into the application, then go to your application around this program, which is Visual Studio. So when you run this program, then you're gonna have a lot of you're gonna have the file, the program is gonna be opened. Then it's gonna give you instructions like the command you need to, you're gonna have a lot of instructions. If you need to open text file, and if you need to add extension, if you need. So we're gonna be talking about that in the next video, because I don't want this video to be too long. I'm trying to make it short. So you've downloaded this on your Mac now, and during installation you can just actually follow the default settings. And after, in my next video, I'm gonna be posting another video that's gonna talk about how to set up your VS Code. So just when you're done with this, just check my other video which says how to set up your VS Code, how to do configuration. And in that video, I'm going to be explaining everything. And I think I'm also going to be um, viewing my own VS Code as an example, as a reference, so you don't get lost or you don't confuse. And I think that's the end of this video. So thank you.